morning students. Today we discuss about 12th accountancy morning video. In this video we discuss about the ratio analysis. In this chapter we discuss about the topic of profitability ratios. So in profitability ratios, it helps to assess the profitability of a business concern, and these ratios also help to analyze the earning capacity of the business in terms of utilization of resources employed in the business. So these profit ratios will be most useful for the business point of view in order to ascertain the profit condition of the business and how the business will earn the profit by way of earning capacity. We have to analyze in the business. There are 5 profitability ratios are to be analyzed in a business concern. That is gross profit ratio, operating cost ratio, operating profit ratio, net profit ratio, and return on investments. Gross profit ratio. So gross profit ratio is the proportion of gross profit to net revenue from operation. Net revenue from operation means net sales. So gross profit will be compared to the sales of the business. So gross profit ratio shows the margin of profit available out of revenue from a operation. So the formula for finding the gross profit ratio is gross profit by revenue from operation into 100. In the case of gross profit, in order to find out the gross profit, we have to use the formula revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from a operation. So mostly if the question is asked to find out gross profit ratio, means gross profit will be given in the sum itself. Sometimes it is not given. So if the gross profit is not given in the problem, so you should find out the gross profit by using the formula revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operations. So in this example 13, they are asking to find out gross profit ratio from the following. That is, revenue from operation is 1 lakh, cost of revenue from operation is 80,000, and purchases 62,500. So with these 3 value, we should find out the gross profit ratio. So first you should find out the gross profit. That is, to find the gross profit, the formula is revenue from operation minus cost of revenue from operation. That is, revenue from operation is 1 lakh, cost of revenue from operation is 80,000. So while we subtracting these 2 values, the gross profit is 20,000. Then you can apply the formula gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit by revenue from operation into 100. So gross profit is, we already find out, 20,000. Revenue from operation is given in the sum 1 lakh. So 20,000 by 1 lakh into 100 will gives 20%. So the gross profit ratio is 20%. Next we will find out operating cost ratio. So this ratio is the proportion of operating cost to revenue from operations. So this ratio will help the business people to test the operational efficiency of the business. So it is a most useful ratio to analyze the operating efficiency of the business. The formula is operating cost by revenue from operation into 100. So in order to find out the operating cost, the formula is cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses. That is, operating expenses means employee benefit expense, depreciation, other expenses related to office and administration, selling and distribution. So these are some of the examples of expenses of operating expense. So in order to find out the operating cost, you should take 2 items, revenue from operation and operating expenses. While adding these 2 values, you will be able to get operating cost. In this example 14, that is, from following is the statement of profit and loss of Mary Limited for the year ended 31st March 2018. So in this example, they are given some information, that is revenue from operation 8 lakhs, other income 20,000. So the total revenue will be 8,20,000. And expense point of view, purchase of stock in trade 4,50,000, changes in inventories, that is negative answer is 40,000. That is difference between opening and closing inventories. Employee benefit expenses 22,000 and other expenses 68,000. The total expense is 5 lakhs. Profit before tax is 3,20,000. It is a information given. And note number 1 and 2 is given, means you should go through the note also. It is given in the sum itself, that is note to accounts. Note to accounts. It is given in the sum itself. That is employee benefit expenses include wages 10,000, salary 12,000. Other expenses which include administration expenses 20,000, selling and distribution 28,000, loss on sale of fixed asset 20,000. So with the help of the notes to accounts, you should take the relevant item for operating expenses. So when we go to the solution point of view, first you should find out the cost of revenue from operation. Whenever ratio sum is asked in the question, means first you should find out the work notes and then you can write the formula. Don't write formula first. First find out the work note values. Whatever we need the informations, you should find out. Then you can apply the formula. So in this problem, they are asking to find out operating cost ratio. So in order to find out the operating cost ratio, we need operating cost and revenue from operation. In this example sum, cost of revenue from operation will be purchase of stock in trade plus or minus change in inventories of stock in trade plus direct expenses. So in the given example sums, purchase of stock in trade is 4,50,000 and change in inventory means it is negative answer is given, and plus direct expenses. So when we simplify it, 4,50,000 minus change in inventories, because of the value given in this sum, change in inventory is negative value, so you can minus, subtract 4,50,000 minus 40,000, 4,10,000, then plus direct expenses 10,000. So total value of cost of revenue from operation is 4,20,000. Then operating expense point of view, in the given problem, whenever we see the work note, administrative expenses, selling and distribution expenses and salaries. So take three values from the notes to accounts. 20,000 administrative expenses, selling and distribution expenses 28,000 and salaries 12,000. While adding these three values, the operating expense will be 60,000. Then you should find out the operating cost. The formula for finding the operating cost is cost of revenue from operation plus operating expenses. So we already find out cost of revenue from operation, that is 4,20,000, and operating expenses, that is 60,000. While adding these two values, 4,20,000 and 60,000, the total value of operating cost is 4,80,000. So first you should find out these three work notes before finding out the operating cost ratio, and then you can apply the formula. Operating cost ratio is equal to operating cost by revenue from operation into 100. That is, operating cost is 4,80,000. Revenue from operation is given in the sum itself, 8 lakh into 100. While we simplifying it, the percentage will be 60%. So 60% is the operating cost ratio of the business concern. So likewise, if any problem asked related to the ratio analysis, whether gross profit ratio or operating cost ratio, or previously we discussed 5 ratios, that is current ratio, quick ratio, debt equity ratio, proper ratio, and capital gearing ratio. So while calculating the ratio for any types, first you can remember the formula, then you can find out the work note, what information we need. We should find out first from the given information in the problem, and then you can apply the formula, substitute the values, and simplify it. We can easily arise the answers. So likewise, you can go through these two example sums in this video, understand it, and you can go through these two sums and write these two sums in your accounts sum assignment notebook, and try to work out exercise sums also related to these problems, that is gross profit ratio and operating cost ratio. Okay, so totally at least 4 sums you have to work out today itself. And previously we discussed 5 formulas, and I hope that you already finished that 5 formulas, 5 example sums, and 5 exercise sums, totally 10 problems. Today we do 4 sums, so totally you should complete 14 sums in your account sum assignment notebook. Okay, so and send a task complete message in the evening between 6 to 9 p.m. today itself. Thank you.